A powerhouse of flavor and nutrition in winter, methi, also known as fenugreek, is a green leafy vegetable that is widely cultivated across the world. India produces around 80% and thus is the largest producer of methi. The small plant is an incredible source of iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C and vitamin B.
Methi has always been considered in ethno-medicine a very nutritious leafy green as well as a seed also.
In our Indian kitchens, the kasuri methi and the methi dana adds a distinct, slightly bitter and aromatic flavor to a variety of dishes. It is primarily a winter crop, making it a perfect ingredient to warm you up during the colder months.
किस मौसम में उगाई जाती है ये?
मतलब अक्टूबर से लेके फरवरी तक उगाई जाती है।
ये मेथी का पराठा है. It's a very popular Indian breakfast. The month is February and in this winter spring month, leaves of methi are often used to prepare parathas like this. The leaves are also used to prepare other breakfast items like theplas, and also it is used to prepare a sabji with potatoes. In this episode, we will talk to farmers in Rajasthan and Delhi, a few sellers at the Okhla Mandi and a nutrition expert to understand why this winter vegetable and its seeds are so popular and whether its taste has changed over time.